the four kinds of lipoproteins. Hyperlipidemia can be treated, but it's oftentimes a lifelong situation. You will demand to observe what you eat and also practice orderly. You might also demand to take a prescription medication. The target is to minimize the deleterious cholesterol levels. Doing so decreases your danger of heart ailments, stroke, heart attack, and other troubles. Triglycerides come along with cholesterol and other lipids, can sit up inside your blood vessels like arteries. This fabricates the blood vessels thinner and fabricates it more complicated for blood to pass. Your blood pressure could rise. The accumulation can also give rise to a blood clot to form. If a blood accumulation breaks off and migrates to your heart, it gives a rise to a heart attack. If it migrates to your brain, it can give a rise to a stroke. Lipids are traveled in the circulation packed in lipoproteins. But what about lipoprotein composition? A typical lipoprotein comprises cholesterol and triglycerides on the inside, encompassed by phospholipids together with the proteins overlying the outside. But what are the four kinds of lipoproteins? 1. Chylomicrons. Chylomicrons are actually the biggest and most dense lipoprotein. Anyway, chylomicrons get in the lymphatic framework and transport through the body, breaking down and becoming smaller parts. As well, triglycerides are separated from the chylomicron and after that disseminated to cells and adipose locations. Most substance in chylomicrons is utilized during this operation, and the residual substance in the chylomicron comes back to the liver and is returned like more triglyceride or is incorporated into other lipoprotein. 2. Very low density lipoprotein, VLDL. VLDL journey through the body. Anyway, at the start, VLDL on a smaller focus of fat to protein, with higher protein than fat. In action, as they journey through the body and release matter, the density of cholesterol to protein elevates, and they basically become low-density lipoproteins, LDL, at what time they elevate their intensity of fat to protein as required. 3. Low-density lipoprotein, LDLS. LDLS transfer cholesterol to supplement cell cholesterol feeding. LDL are then undergo lysis in the liver and excreted into the intestinal system and the gallbladder for trash. Surplus LDLs in the blood may collapse and liberate cholesterol into blood, giving a cause to plaquing of the arteries. 4. High-density lipoproteins, HDLs. HDLs transfer surplus of cholesterol out of the blood and get it into the liver, wherever it is broken or recycled. However, HDLs are considered as healthful lipoproteins due to their task of cleaning cholesterol outside of the blood.